Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Google Docs. Before we begin, you'll ensure you are logged into your Google account. You'll find any Google Docs you've saved to your Google Drive here. When working with Google Docs, your work is automatically saved to your Google Drive. To start a new document, select one of the Google Doc templates provided or choose blank for a blank page. After creating a new document, click on Untitled to rename it and type your desired name. Press Enter and your document will be saved to Google Drive. To view all of your folders, click on the folder icon on the home page. To save your document to a different folder, go to File and then move to. Select the desired folder or create a new one. To adjust margins, go to File and Page Setup, then update the margin values. You can also set margins for all future Google Docs. Click Share at the top right to share your document with others, enter their email addresses and choose their permission level, edit, comment or view. Ensure the checkbox is marked to send them an email notification. Click Send to confirm it. Alternatively, you can copy the shareable link and send it to others, ensuring you share settings allow them to view or edit the file. To collaborate, share the document with others and grant them editing permissions. Collaborators can edit the document in real time and you can see their edits live. They can also add documents to the document to notify someone of a document. Type @ followed by their email address. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.